Effective SEO comes cheap. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the hottest way to drive targeted traffic to your website. Maximizing the benefits of a well SEO'd website will yield lots of earnings for the marketer. However, SEOing your site might cost you thousands of dollars if you are such a newbie on this field. But to tell you the truth, you can essentially get information on low-cost SEO anywhere in the internet. But only several really show you how to work out an affordable search engine optimization endeavor. And those few that really inform include this article. 1. Link exchanges. One cheap SEO method that can get you best results is through link exchanges, or linking to and from other websites. Depending on the websites that you would like to exchange links with, this tool could even cost you nothing at all. Contact the author or owner of the website you want to have a link exchange with. You will be surprised with the eventual spiking up of your page ranking using this means of getting your website optimized. 2. Write or acquire keyword-rich articles. Writing truly informative and keyword-rich articles is one surefire way to make your internet business more visible than ever. It's either you write your own articles or you get them from article directories that allow you to post these articles on your website as long as you keep the resource box or the author's byline intact. Just don't stuff your articles with keywords that even idiots would get bored of reading them. The readability and freshness of your articles will still be the basis of whether your writers will keep on coming back to your website or not. 3. Catchy domain name. What better will make your target visitors remember your website but with a very easy to recall domain name? Something sweet and short will prove to be very invaluable. Registering your domain name is not for free. But creativity is. 4. Organize your site navigation. Providing easy steps in navigating your site is one way to make your visitors become at ease with your site. This, in turn, will improve the flow of traffic to your website. Low-cost SEO is always evolving like any other approach in information technology. There are many methods that can very well land you on the top 10 rankings of Google or on any other search engines. Some may cost a lot, but there are methods that can give you the same results at a low price or you can even do on your own, such as those mentioned above.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.